Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Wyndham Garden LaGuardia South. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Queens, Wyndham Rego Park, New York is 4 miles from LaGuardia Airport. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available. Guests can dine on the property at the LUXE Bistro and Bar, which offers light and hearty meal options. A business center, dry cleaning services and an on-site fitness center are also available. Wyndham Rego Park also has a Starbucks on the property. Every room comes with a flat-screen TV, work desk and an ergonomic chair. A hair dryer, ironing facilities, and a coffee and tea maker are also provided. For guests who like to shop, Queens Center Mall and Macy's are 1,591 feet away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.